Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra won't turn on. If you're using Galaxy S24 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your phone is not turning on, it's not powering on, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you how to make a force restart because sometimes it might be that there will be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by making a force restart. Now for that you have to press and hold your volume down and power button at the same time for almost 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm gonna press this. Just press and hold volume down and power button at the same time. And you might get that your phone screen will be black. Once you get the black screen, just wait for Samsung logo here. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to retry to use your phone to check if it fixed your issue or not. If your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to check for your Samsung battery, your physical Samsung battery, because sometimes it might be that your battery has been dead, so you're unable to use your phone as well. So you might face these type errors, so you have to make sure if your battery is in a good condition, but you are still facing the same issue, or if your battery is not good, or it's physically damaged, or has been dead, so you can try to check for repair this battery, or you can also get a new original Samsung battery to fix that issue. But if it doesn't work for you, your battery is in a better condition, but you're still facing the same issue. So I recommend you have to try to plug the charger on your phone. Once your phone is on charging, you have to make a force restart again, or you can also make a normal restart. Just scroll in control center, click on this power icon here, click on restart, and then click on this restart button again, and your phone will be restarted. Or the better way is to make a force restart, but you can also make a normal restart here. And once you have restarted your phone on charging, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.